Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So I got a lot of makeup for this month for October and I just want to share everything with you. So I got few things from MAC, from Sugar, Color Bar, many brands are there. So if you want to know more about what I got this month for my makeup haul, then stay tuned. So my first purchase is from MAC and this is the MAC into Shreya Jan limited edition Diwali 2021 kit. This kit is called Stop, Drop and Glow. So like last year, this year also 3 kits are released. So all these 3 kits are limited edition. They are available on Nykaa, MAC Cosmetics website, MAC Cosmetic counters, Purple, Myntra, Shoppers Stop. You can get it from anywhere as you desire. So if you want to grab them, just grab now because they are limited editions and once they get over they won't come back. So I got this Top, Drop and Glow and inside this kit I got 2 products. So first one is a strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. This is the mini version, the mini size of the strobe cream, and the second product is the MAC Technocool liner in the shade Graph Black. So these 2 product you get and the price for this kit is rupees 2100. So this is the kit which you get, and now let me show you this. Before moving further, let me show you this. So this one, this is actually I got free. This is a travel bag from MAC and I got this free. So I am so much excited, super excited actually, that I got such a nice quality travel bag, very handy, and the quality is too good. So I am super excited for this bag. Whenever you get some free gifts, you are actually very excited, and that too a nice gift. So everyone likes free gift. So this is my MAC pouch. This is the travel pouch actually. And inside this is all my MAC purchases. So let me show you what all things I got from MAC. So my first purchase is this Shreya Jan kit and my next purchase from MAC. So first see this bag. This is a very nice good quality bag. Here also you get a pouch and the space here is so good. Very nice travel friendly bag and the quality is too good actually. So I got this. This also is free. I have got so many free gifts from MAC this time. So this is the Powder Kiss lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick and these are 3 shades which I got. Marrakesh Mare, Smash and Burning Love. They have also given a lip brush to apply them because these are liquid lipsticks. So these are samples for these 3 lipsticks. Now the products which I got in this Shreya Jan kit. So these are the 2 products which I got in the Shreya Jan kit. This is the strobe cream in the mini size and this is the Technocool liner in the shade Graph Black. See, this is the liner or the kajal you can say. This is in the shade Graph Black. So these 2 products are from Shreya Jan collection. Then I got this free. Yes, I got this full size Technocool liner and this is in the shade Brown Border. So one I got Graph Black in the kit and this one is free. This is the same liner, just the shade is different. This is the brown shade. So I got 2 shades and this is absolutely free. This is a 1500 rupees liner and this is absolutely free. So I am too happy with my purchase. Then I got this MAC in Extreme Dimension 24-hour Kajal eyeliner. These days everyone is talking about this, so I thought why not to try out this. So I got this also. And I got this lipstick from the Tempting Fate collection. This is the shade Dusty Grape, and for everything there will be detailed review on my channel. So please subscribe and stay tuned for the detailed review. So this is the Tempting Fate collection and I will give you a detailed review for this. Wait for my reviews. And this I got free. This is the cleansing oil from MAC and it's a nice size. See, it's a nice size to try out. So this was my MAC purchase. Now let's move on and see what all things I got from Color Bar. From Color Bar, I shopped the Color Bar Jacqueline collection. This is the latest launch from them and this is the Sinful Matte lip shade in the shade Mistress 025. The shade is so beautiful and the lipstick in itself is so beautiful lipstick. See, this is the Jacqueline collection It's a velvety finish, very nice, very beautiful lipstick. The shade and the finish is so beautiful. And from the same collection, I got these 3 nail paints. So these 2 nail paints, these are the same shade. I got backup for myself because this is a very beautiful, first time I think in Indian market this type of dual tone shade is there. So I got backup for myself, a very pretty shade. And this one is also from the same collection, the Jacqueline collection, and this is what I have on my hands right now, on my nails actually. And this I got free with my purchase. So this is the makeup wipes, makeup remover wipes, and this I got free. So this was my Color Bar collection. And this time I got crazy and got all these beautiful nail polishes in one go. So few are from Color Bar, this is from K Beauty, Masaba collection from Nykaa, and Lakme. I have not purchased nail polishes for the past 2 years, so this time I got all crazy and got all the beautiful shades. Then I got a foundation for myself. This is the Sugar Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation, and it's a very good, very nice foundation. You will have a detailed review on this. Stay tuned for all the reviews. Then my next purchase is from Plum. This is their latest launch called I Swear by Kohl Kajal, and this is only one shade available. So this is the shade Deep Black. So now I have total of 4 kajals or liners. So these 3 are from MAC, and this is from the Plum to try out. So I will have detailed review definitely on my channel. My next purchase is from Ballora Paris, and this is their Alfonso Turmeric Latte Mask. I have a detailed review on my channel. You can check the video there. They have first time launched a skincare product, so I wanted to try this, and I love this product. So now these are few here and there products. This is the Bella Cotton pads. I got this pad, and this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Micellar Water, very nice quality micellar water. Then I got this Ever Youth body lotion. This is a new launch from them. It comes in 4 different fragrances, and I got the Rejuvenating Flora fragrance. So this is also nice. I will give you a detailed review after using this. And this one is the Pond's Gold Beauty face wash. This I actually have reviewed on my channel. So I have reviewed this one. See, this is the smaller tube, and I have used this tube full, and now I have got a bigger tube. So now you can say whether I love a product or not, whether I use all of my products or not, because I use a product and then I give my detailed review. So this was all my haul. Hope you like my haul video this time. If you like it, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.